Are you tired of paying sky-high shipping fees on ACBUY? Well, stick around because I'm about to show you how to get cheaper shipping for your next order. So, ACBUY is a great platform for all your international shopping needs, but shipping can quickly add up. But don't worry, I've got some insider tips that'll help you save big on shipping costs. First things first, ACBUY offers different shipping methods. Opt for economy shipping if you're not in a rush. While it takes a little longer, it's the cheapest option available, saving you a ton. Next, if you plan to buy multiple items, try combining your orders into one shipment. This helps you avoid paying multiple shipping fees for each individual item. Another great way to save is by keeping an eye out for shipping promotions or discount codes. They often offer free or reduced shipping during sales events or with specific items. Lastly, consider using a freight forwarding service. If you're shipping to a region with high fees, freight services can consolidate packages and ship to you at a lower rate. And if you want extra discounts, join using my personal link in the description below. This will give you access to exclusive deals and save even more on your orders. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll save a lot on shipping costs for your next ACBUY order. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more money-saving hacks. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!